Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to trade your industrial machine. So this is basically for beginners, those who just bought their industrial machine and don't know how to trade theirs. Okay, so it's a quick video for all our beginners. To all our subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first thing you do is you place your trade on your trade stand and you pick up your trade. After you've picked up your trade, you are going to pass it through the tiny hole on that stand, okay, that one that is standing. So you pass it through it from the back and pass it all the way out. So when you are done passing it, you are going to now insert it on that two hole that is on the machine. Okay, you see the two holes, so you pass it in, then you take it again and you pass it out. So you'll be having that inner, you are going to just see the thread there, so it's a double hole. So when you are done, then you come down, drag the thread a bit, and you are going to come down. So when you come down, you are going to pass it through this point. It's very trickish, but it's very easy. Can you see what I just did? So that is basically what you are going to do. Then when you are done, you will see there's a passage on this part. So you pass it through it, then take your machine and drag it up and you pass it through the other hole. So just do exactly what I'm doing, do it for yours. Okay, so you pass it through it, then when you are done, you see another passage again. Can you see it? So you pass it through that passage and you come down, and there's also another passage. So there are so many places to pass it through, but it's very easy to do. Okay, so after you have done that, you insert it to your needle. So you are done trading the machine. Okay, that's the upper part of the machine. Then when you are done trading it, you are going to now insert the bobbin and the shuttle. Okay, so take it and insert it. After you are done inserting it, then take out the thread, just pass the thread through it and you're going to see an opening. Okay, so you see an opening, pass the thread through that opening. Can you see what I'm doing? Then insert it on the machine underneath it. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm inserting it underneath it. So that is where you insert your bobbin and your shuttle. Okay, so when you are done inserting it, you are going to take your machine and you are going to use the needle to drag it out, to drag out the thread. Okay, so I'm done inserting it. It's time to drag out the thread. So you drag it out this way. Okay, so just mash it a bit and you can see what is happening. The needle thread is dragging out the shuttle thread, the one under. So it's going to just bring it out and you are done. So this is it. This is basically very easy to trade your machine and it's not difficult. Okay, so I'm going to do other videos on tools that you need for sewing and your sewing machine. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. God bless you and have a great day. Bye guys.